100 kg worth of kebab, man. This is so good. It smells so good that I alone can destroy this 100 kg right now.
Jag Kebab. This one is from Anatolia, from Erzurum. It's very historic.
This particular steak is 100 kg, like, and they make like 4 to 5 a day. Enough talking, time to eat. Okay, the star of the show is here. Jag Kebab is here, bro. So what do? Pick up your skewer. Grab a piece of meat, take some onion, take some tomato, make a nice little cube wrap. Cool, bro. It's just so good.
The meat is really good.
You can literally feel the fat in it. Everything tastes good if it has fat. When you're on vacation, calories don't count. And we got more kebabs coming in.
Yeah.
Keep them coming, keep them coming. We ain't stopping, we ain't stopping. You have any plan of stopping at these kebabs? Oh boy. You know what? That was absolutely insane and delicious. My stomach is full, but my mind is still in that zone. I still want to have more, but my body, my stomach does not allow me to have more. This is one of the best lamb kebabs that I've had. It's called Cag Kebab. It's a restaurant called Cag Kebab. You must come. There's a place called Hoja Pasha in Istanbul. Thank you for everything.